welcome back to the channel. Planning a beach vacation means sunshine, sand, and relaxation, but carrying all your essentials shouldn't be a hassle. That's where the Beach Bag Mesh Tote Bag for Women comes in. Designed to be lightweight, stylish, and incredibly practical, this beach tote keeps everything organized while looking effortlessly chic. Whether you're heading to the beach, pool, cruise, or resort, this bag is built to carry your towels, clothes, sunscreen, and more without the bulk. Breathable Mesh Design. The first thing you'll notice is the high-quality mesh material. This breathable design allows sand, water, and moisture to fall right through, keeping your clothes and belongings clean and dry. No more shaking sand out of your bag after a long beach day. This mesh tote handles it for you. Large capacity storage. Despite its lightweight feel, this beach bag offers ample space. It easily fits beach towels, swimsuits, flip-flops, cover-ups, sunscreen, water bottles, and even a change of clothes. Perfect for solo beach days, family outings, or resort vacations. Durable tear-resistant material. Don't let the airy design fool you. The mesh fabric is strong, durable, and tear-resistant. Built to withstand heavy loads and frequent use, this bag holds up beautifully against sun exposure, saltwater, and daily wear during your vacation. Comfortable shoulder straps. Comfort matters, especially when you're carrying a full bag. This tote features wide, reinforced shoulder straps that reduce pressure and sit comfortably on your shoulder, making long walks to the beach or pool effortless. Inside the bag, you'll find convenient inner pockets designed to store smaller essentials like your phone, keys, wallet, sunglasses, or lip balm. Lightweight, foldable for travel. When not in use, the bag folds flat, making it ideal for packing in your suitcase. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it a perfect travel companion for cruises, tropical vacations, or weekend getaways. With a clean, modern design, it pairs perfectly with swimsuits, summer dresses, or casual outfits. If you're looking for a beach bag that combines functionality, comfort, durability, and style, the Mesh Tote Beach Bag for Women checks all the boxes. From sand-free storage to spacious organization and easy portability, it's designed to make your beach days stress-free and stylish. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.